Alright, let's talk about how you can convert a Google Sheet into an Excel file. So here we have our Google Sheet with a bunch of sales data for different stores for our business or whatever it might be. And we want to convert this into an Excel file. So the way to do that is to go up to File, go down to Download, and here you'll have all of these different options that you can download this Google Sheet into. In this case, we want Microsoft Excel or XLSX. We'll go ahead and select that, and that will download automatically into our download file. We can then go to our downloads and select that file, and here we'll open up our Google Sheet into an Excel file here. Now there is one important thing to know. When you are converting Google Sheets into Excel, there could be some download errors. Typically, formulas and things like that will typically stay the same for the most part, but formatting could get a little screwed up. So it's important that when you download your Google Sheet into an Excel file, that you give it a quick glance to make sure that nothing janky happened or anything really got messed up in the file. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you go. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.